Okay, so hello, welcome everyone for those who are in YouTube right now. So we're currently live in TikTok as well. So say hi, both you guys, okay? So, anyways, how are you guys doing? I hope everything is good. So I was actually just talking with one of my students in Philippines. That's actually rating in Philippines. So stay safe again, everyone. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So let's see what's to expect with Bitcoin, for today, next day, and possibly the whole week. Kumbaga, diba? So let's see what to expect. Now, um, before that, let's try to have a breakdown of our trades. Okay? So, with Bitcoin, diba? I gave you guys a bison right around here, this trade, and it's also out in our Discord, channel. So, right here in our Discord channel, just give me a sec. Okay. So, in our Discord channel, everyone, I posted a trade, okay? It went up with us, diba? It went up with us, but the stop loss got invalidated. So, Bitcoin trade invalidated, so that's out. But the second trade that we did, which is the uni trade, this one, okay? Take profit got hit. That's about almost 5% um profit for us. Okay? So, huh. Sino dito yung nakaano guys? Sino dito yung nakapasok ng Unitrade kahapon? Or sino dito yung nandito kahapon? Mm-hmm. Let me see. Okay, so Unitrade, what else do we have? Eh, I guess no one was here yesterday. Mga bago ba yung mga nanonood ngayon sa TikTok? Are you guys new? Bago kayo dito? I mean like, bago lang kayo naka-join? Yeah? So, anyways, right here in Unitrade, di ba? Okay, bago pa lang, MAB shop. Alright. So, kahapon, we tried to take a short position on the Unitrade. We got the sell zone in here. Yes, this is crypto. And our stop loss right above here. So, market did a really nice push up, last push up. Okay, then we went down. Okay, so from there, take profit. Okay, we got some retest and take profit got hit. That's for uni. And this one was a day trade lang. So this trade actually took roughly around 13 hours from the entry point. It was like 13 hours. 13 hours long, guys. So we entered the trade roughly like 10:30 p.m. Philippines time, and this morning we took profits. Okay? So, now, let's try to find if meron tayong, possible trade for the day. Maya-maya, maghanap ulit tayo. So, stay tuned, everyone. Now, let's open our Bitcoin and let's see what to expect. So, this trade is now invalidated. I'm taking it out. Now, what can we expect with Bitcoin? Miss, does it change anything with Bitcoin? Diba? That's a really good question to ask. So let me open our daily chart. So daily chart it does not change that we are still moving in a falling so not wedge but falling flag, like a bullish flag or falling flag. So the counts that we have still does not change as well. So we have a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, and E. So you remember, guys, we were expecting the E to be this last part, and still we do have. But now, as I can see that the market broke the previous low, where is the previous low, diba? Previous low is here, oh. Ito. Yan. So let me change the color of that. So that's the previous low right there. Elite wave po ba yan? Yes po, elite wave po to. Okay? Again, guys, if you like this live right now, please hit the like button, the heart in TikTok so I can see. Diba? If you guys are liking, trading contents, if you want more of this. Okay? So now, thank you for liking the live. Thank you so much. All right. So, again, we have the A, B, and C. Now, since we broke the previous low, Miss, asan po yung previous low na yan? Where is the previous low? Andito po. Yan. So, what happens now? Instead of it, as me counting it as a 1, but we were counting it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a possible push up. Now it's looking more of like an A, B, and C. Now, on that note then, can we expect Bitcoin to go more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Diba? So are we gonna hit the 48K level? That I would like to know. What do you guys think? Kasi it invalidated some of the areas that I was looking for. Oh, may nag-send ng rose. Thank you. Ed, thank you so much. Pa 1K likes natin, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Eman Holmes. Thank you so much. Yeah, high probability. Possibly, right? Because we literally just broke our, previous low. So, now, we guys have to prepare for this, right? It's the 48 is possible from here. High likely, we just broke the previous low. So, means, are you saying that we can prepare for a short? Right now, I can tell you by the daily, yes. You know why? Out of this zone lang, guys, I'll show you the zone so you'll understand. This zone consists of this much time frame. That is 35 days. Can you guys imagine how long that is? Diba? How long? Thank you sa mga nagla-like. Thank you so much. So, 35 days, guys, is our data. That is more than enough for you to do a day trading, even swing trade. Or a good enough like 2 to 3 days type of trade. Now, yeah. So, can we prepare for short position? Possibly. But, kasi nga, we are now entering the short, the sell, sell bias, guys. So, Miss, does that mean that, Bitcoin is gonna go all the way down, down, down? No. Yeah. What we are aiming for or what we are looking for is the 48. 48, 47, roughly around this area. So, with that said, let's open the weekly. Because I would like to double check on the weekly. We did not open weekly for the past live that we did, right? And out of the, last drop that we did, we had an engulfing candle even with a, what is this? With a doji in here. More of a morning star. And another one right here. It's not actually engulfing, but a very bullish candlestick. So on that candlestick, how much can we expect the price to go down? Let's double check that. So we can actually see that by, look at it, 0.618, 0.618. Okay. That's the length 1 through 0.618 over by the 1. Yeah, that sits right about the 1. Okay, right here. Let me show you guys. 49, okay? 49, 48. Roughly right around this zone. So be prepared. Okay, Miss, what's the trigger point that it's gonna go lower than that? Watch this one, guys. Ito ho. Can you guys see this line now that I just put out? Let me show you. 55,700. Okay, 55,700. Miss, what's the condition? Kyodo, so much info. Please follow Coach Mayari. Sa kanya ako nag-start. Thank you so much, Kyodo, for the support. Thank you. Okay, so 55,707 means what am I gonna do with it? With that information? Listen up. So, nasa weekly chart tayo ha. Can you guys see that? 1 day, 1 week right here. Okay, 1 week. Weekly chart, how many days do we have left before the weekly closes? Roughly 4 days and 14 minutes. Okay, you guys can see that on your, right side of the screen. So I just want to remind everyone who are watching in TikTok right now, we are live in YouTube, right? We're live in YouTube right now. If you guys want to see the full screen of my screen, I suggest you go over YouTube. Okay, that's my YouTube right there. Mayari Capital. Okay, Mayari Capital. Live tayo ngayon, guys. September 4th. And you can watch the live again in repeat that many times you want, pag gusto mo. So, go. Sige. So, now, 55,700. So, listen up. We have 4 days and 14 hours to close. What shall we do? Diba? How can we confirm that it's gonna go to 48 miss, like roughly 51? We have dalawang level tayo guys dito ha. Isang let me arrange this. Yeah. Isang 53, 51 and then another one is 48, 49. Dalawang level. Simple as that. Nothing much, nothing less. So, if the weekly candle that we have right now, the weekly candle closes below this line that we did. Yan. Miss, how can I do that line? This line is by the weekly low of the candle. Andito. You guys see this? Yeah? So, please, if you're gonna do your chart, you can see the same thing. Okay? Same lang po tayo ng chart. Plot nyo yan. You can practice. Now, this candlestick that we have right now, if it closes below yung weekly natin, high likely, guys, that's gonna be 53, 51 is very easy for us to see. And 48, yeah, it can go by 48. But anyways, since the weekly have not closed yet, obviously now let's check our 3-day chart. 3-day chart so far, this 3rd-day chart has 1 day and 14 hours to close. So, can you guys observe, diba? Nung sa weekly tayo, this is a weekly candle. Let me change that, 3-day, tapos open ko ulit sa weekly ha. Can you guys observe what is happening? Walang bumababa sa line na nilagay natin na ito. Let me change the color. Or let me do that thing. Ayan. Walang candle na lumalagpas. I'll show you weekly, none. That's the lowest over of our weekly ha. Pag sa 3-day tayo, wala din. On the 2-day, let's see. Meron sa 2-day, but you guys have to understand the higher the time frame, the stronger, it is. So the daily and 2 days, nag-overlap sila, but that overlap was quickly, can you guys see this bounce? It was a very quick bounce right there. Right? So, 3-day, 4-day, weekly, yeah? So, on the 3-day, I want you guys can observe the 3-day by then, how it closes. Okay, we have like 1 day and 14 minutes, but the confirmed talaga is weekly, that I can tell you. So, now, let's go back on our 4-hour chart. Okay, that was the first situation, okay, that we have to expect with Bitcoin if that case happens. So, lagyan lock natin to, and let's put this guy in weekly or in 3-day. So, we can check over that soon. And miss, so if that happens, Coach, can I join sa free community mo? Last 2020 pa po ako nag-enroll na wala dati o Discord. Okay. So, Kyodo, I suggest you message me in Instagram Okay, so you guys can get access sa free Discord phase ano natin na space. So, please, for those who'd like to have access on the Discord for free, message me on Instagram. I'll give you the link. Okay, that's it. All right, now listen up, everyone. Where were we? Yeah. So, since, if we're expecting that to happen, kasi nga, we broke the previous low that I was, was looking for days. This is how our trade is gonna look like now. Okay? This E is not yet done by then. Yeah? It's gonna continue all the way down till this area that we just plotted in. So let me remove this. And this rejection was the 0.618 that we did. So if you go back on, or if you'll go over through the, elite wave lessons, this is sitting by the golden level. And the golden level is the area we're in. Reversals happens, rejection happens, bounces happens, and that's exactly right at there. No wonder, right? No wonder we got the rejection. So, yeah. Anyway, so that's it for Bitcoin. Am I gonna trade it? No, not yet. I have to look out for closing. So I want you guys to, to stay tuned with Bitcoin. For those who have, what's the word for that? Funds that you guys want to invest with Bitcoin. Okay? Meron ba dito? Anyone? Anyone who are waiting to, buy into Bitcoin? Daniel, thank you for the rose. Yodo, thank you, thank you. Me po, Grege, alright? Okay, so Grege, for now, just stay tuned, okay, with Bitcoin. Because I'll give you guys one more thing to look at. Okay, what I just gave you was just pure TA. I mean price action. So just pure price action. Now, if we'll add on other factors, diba, like confluences, by the 4 hour, we are in a strong, right now for the past, ano lang, I just saw, for the past, 8 hours, we are gaining a momentum to the downside, which is fairly strong. And if you'll see the daily, it just literally regained. Ito, this histogram. Currently, it haven't closed yet. Anything can happen, but so far it's looking strong. And the 3-day chart as well. There you go. Still strong, and then the weekly, fairly. But the beauty now with weekly, guys, if you'll see, I'll show you, is that we are gaining divergence, bullish divergence on here, diba? So if you'll see this one to here, oh, this we cannot plot yet. My bad. This we cannot plot yet kasi nga yung candlestick of the weekly haven't closed yet. Take note of that. Alright? And at the same time, weekly, is it gonna close? That's the thing. So, okay. One more thing. That's very, Oh, if this is gonna close, it's gonna surely go to 48. Now I can see that. Okay. So the weekly close is very important, everyone. I can see the pressure from both areas. Both of them. 48, 49 easily. That happens. And if we do account that of the RSI, we're sitting by 46. How low can we go from here, right? 43, 49, 38, yeah. Okay, so that's it. I'm staying out of Bitcoin. Okay, it's been, anyways, guys, it's been what? It's been almost like 4 days straight that I'm giving you guys free trade in Bitcoin, diba? So, chill muna tayo, relax, and let's try to find the other trades in other coins for now. But what I have noticed, listen up, is as Bitcoin is going down, some of the altcoins are gaining strength. One particularly is Aave. Anyone is trading Aave? Yeah? So, Aave right here, for this day only, it has pumped roughly like 10%. So, can you guys see that? 16% now. So, in just one day, I'll show you guys the time frame. Okay, 8 a.m. There you go. In just 10 hours. 16. Yeah? So, Aave is moving up to my priority. Okay, not in a sense that I'm gonna trade it. Not right now, but soon enough. So, Sol. Okay, Sol right now, it has pump as well. Can you guys observe? Everything is pumping aside from Bitcoin. What does that tells us? Diba? Money is moving into alts right now. So, with that, but did we break any, even at the 15 minutes, did we break any low? Not yet. 2, 3, possibly not yet. I would like to see the strengths. See the 4 hour. Because even though, Sol is losing that strength, we are by an very important key level right here. So we have multiple bounces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that bounces? So as well as, the gaining strength of dominance, of altcoins. Okay, let me check the this is Ethereum's dominance. Okay, Bitcoin. Have another one right here. No wonder. No wonder we're literally consolidating right around this area as the October approaches. Yeah. So guys, I'm telling you, soon enough, give it 3 weeks, 4 weeks max, crypto is gonna be very interesting. Can you guys see how consolidated we are now? Any breakout from here is gonna move the crypto market a lot. So chill. Yeah? But anyway, so with Sol, my hands are really, itching to take a trade into this, but so far it haven't crossed the area we're in. I would like to, okay, I'm gonna take the trade. There you go. So let's just wait for that for now. Now, let's see ICP. ICP is also, in my line, but this one did not trigger. This one literally lost its momentum right here. This one is at by the September 3rd that we tried to do yesterday, did not trigger. So let's try to assist buy zone. Even my alert did not even, got into that. ICP, not a very good. It's not a really good formation from. It's not even tradable for now, even at the 1 hour structure. Let's keep that. I'll go. Anyways, so far by the consolidation, consolidation list that we have right now, nothing is that interesting to, to check. For those who are asking, we have here. So let's try to open our scanner then, just to find possible trade for us to do, right? Okay, cryptos. Let's see. Okay, so for those who have any questions, by the way, please let me know now in the comment section. Uh-huh. Ano po mga altcoins maganda i-buy po? Are you talking investing ba? Because there are different altcoins. We have for AI, we have for DeFi, and all of that. Which area do you want to get into? It's a question. Laptop brand. It's a MacBook. Disadvantage po ng scalping? Okay. The disadvantage of scalping is that it's using way too many brain neurons in a short period of time. Yeah? But again, scalping, I can tell you it is not for everyone. I can attest to that. After almost more than hundreds of students that I have taught, okay, I can count people who can scalp properly or at least profitably, diba? Now, disadvantage of it, for me, as a scalper, none. It's just that it's more of an advantage for me. Because what happens is this. Like right now, I can open up the chart, see coins, and if there's no trade, obviously we call it no trade for today. Okay? Leave it at me. And like this, for Ave, the trade that we, put onto the priority, diba? We're putting it on priority in case something is interesting for us to trade into it. Kasi nga, the volatility is there. Volatility is more than enough for me to, to get interested into. So, that's one thing. And the moment I get that, that trade, I can set up the trade. I can wait for it. And the beauty of scalping is you just have to wait. It may take 2 to 4 hours of, planning, depending on the trades. For beginners, I'm telling 2 to 4 hours of planning. But for me, it can take roughly like an hour maximum to find possible trades for the day, or possibly for the week, diba? Or the next 2 to 3 days. So the beauty is, I'll just wait for that alert, see the chart, take into it, maximum 30 minutes, gone, done. So that's one thing. Now, disadvantage of scalping. I cannot really think much. I guess you have to ask someone who is not trading scalping. Yeah. But that I can tell you. The thing is, all trades are all type of trades, I'm telling you, is that there are certain people who are fitted into the trade. Like for an example, like a size of a t-shirt, diba? Ako, let's say, I'm small or medium, diba? That fits for me. So, like day trading or scalping, that fits for me. Ganun. So, I have another student who is, into swing. Mas comfortable siya doon. And whenever he does scalping, all bad, he forgets the discipline. Simple as that. He gets impatient, okay? Lots of aspect and like that. But you get the point, right? So let's see. Other senior potato, welcome. Yes, it's Mayari. But thank you. Yes. Is your perspective on crypto only through trading po, or do you do research or long-term holding? I do. I do. Jacob, how to know if scalping is for you, Miss Maya? All right. So it can take a long process. For me, it took at least like 3 months, more than that, 6 months. What I personally did, is that this week I'll try to do day trading. Another week I'll try to do swing. Another week I'll try to do scalp. That this practice, I guess, is why I can be versatile. I can do swing. I can do day trade. I can do investing. I can do scalping. So what I came to know, one thing is that it can base off first off on your lifestyle. Diba? Back then kasi, I had time for myself. So, in scalping, especially if you're beginning, you really have to have a lot of screen time. You have to wait. You have to be in the screen. Especially when you're trading. Day trading, swing trade, okay, I'll put it in. Forget about it. I'll check it later. Okay? Slow. So if you're the type of person, second thing is this. What type of person are you? Are you impatient? Diba? Gusto mo madali yan. I want express. Diba? Express, diba? Or you want like chill, laid back. If you are an express type of person and you're not comfortable of holding a trade for a long period of time, diba? Then scalping is for you. Pag gusto mo miss, hindi, ayoko no ano, nang may nag-ano sa akin, like every single time at the back of my mind, someone is, I want to be chill. You can go on swing, you can go on day trading, that much. Right, Chinchoy, thank you for liking the live. Guys, if you like the live, please hit that like button. Yeah? So I can see. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so let's try to, to find now some coins to trade, diba? Let's see, general. We have, no. Do we have everything in here? Okay. Alright, so yes. None. Wala. Sorry, ito yun, ayun. Ayaw nyo nang may dot P. So, anong meron ngayon? Everything is down. Okay. So, first off, we have Matic. Okay, interesting. Let's add that up then, di ba? On our day trading. Actually, I have another one eh. This one. Weekly trades. That's a different one. Meme coins, Matic. Okay, for now, let's add Matic on our priority. Again, guys, for those who are in TikTok, I know you guys cannot see this area. Again, if you guys want to see the full screen of my, my screen, I suggest you guys to go over in YouTube right here. So you can watch that full screen, full screen yan, guys. You can see it. Okay? Daniel, thank you for the heart sticker. Thank you guys so much. And thank you for the like. Okay, so now, Matic, what else? What else shall we look at? Atom looks okay. Ton. Okay, let's try to check ton. Adding that up in there. Priority. Let me close all this out. Okay, so ton. That was not a in the Matic. Let me add. Ayun naman na might be. Gusto ko lang yung perpetual. Yan. Okay, so Matic is not in perpetual. So I would like to add ton. What else? What else do we want to have? Atom. Okay, let's give Atom a try. I like Atom for trading. It has volatility. So let's try to add Atom. That's it for now. Okay, let's see 2 coins for now. Right? So now let's move that up in our priority list. Okay, what's up with ton? Okay, we are sliding down. We're actually past the the support that we're holding on to. But we have a demand zone right around this area. Right here. So let me put that up. Okay, we have the demand zone. Let me double check the demand zone right there. Is it fitting? Yes, really nice. Okay, that. Alright. So done. It's not yet done. I'll be interested if it hits that area, guys. Okay? So, Coach pasili po ng dot. Sige, sige, mamaya-maya. Okay? Very interesting, but I will be interested with ton once we hit this level. So, I'm gonna put alert roughly a little bit high. So, what it does, guys, if the scandal goes near to here, or almost at that, it's gonna notify me in my phone that okay, Thomas is at this is at this level and we can take a long position. Like that, simple as that. Simple as that. Okay? But for now, it is not a trade yet. What about Atom? Okay, Atom. See? By the daily. Oh, I don't like that. It doesn't have any holding now. No, no, no. It literally went back at the price of. No, I won't even try to. And if you look at this, see the 1 hour. I would like to short it. On the other hand, it's fine. Let's see, 4 hours. 619. Literally just broke down. That's a very bearish candle of the 4 hour guys. 4 hour guys. Can you guys see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No white bullish candle yet so far. Very strong bearish momentum for Atom, huh? 4 hours we have 1 hour we have 1, 2. Possible for us to enter. See, just dropped so much. I wouldn't even try to long this right here, even though it's a scalp. Even though if it's gonna be a scalp for me, I won't. Anyway, so let's take out Atom. Okay, ton. Anyway, so someone was asking for dot. That was Clark. Clark was asking for dot, so let's check. Okay. Let me open the weekly so we'll understand. Huh? Remove earth. Okay. So far, guys, by the history of dot, number 4 is always, is always the buying zone. That is where the dot has started. So I myself, every time the dot hits 4 or below 4, I always have it at least to buy it. For me, dot. So right now, dot is literally, did we broke the previous low? Not so. Okay, I would like to double check. Nope. Okay. But then again, we have been, along with other trades, we have been moving in this continuous downtrend, but at least The beauty with that we are seeing right now, it has a proper body that we can um, have a structure onto. Diba? So, even though, let me, here you go. I'm giving you guys an exact entry point, even though it's a higher time frame, huh? Right there. So now let's move on to the daily. We are literally about to break for the soon. Okay. That's crazy. Can you guys see this? I'll give you the number, huh? Like I said earlier. Anywhere below 4, I'm interested in buying that. Now, if you guys can see that, that is 4.15. And every time we go below 4 or 3, 3.5, the dot always bounces. And dito then, it's trying to bounce. It's trying to bounce. So, listen up. We have a swing trade. Yay. Where we at right now, literally at 4 is still a buy zone. And anywhere below that is a buy zone. So we have a drawdown of 15%. This can be in spot position. Listen up, everyone. And Miss, where's the target profit for dot? Okay. We have one. Another one right up in here. And filter that out properly. Simple as this. Now, this one, guys, is a swing type of trade and a long-term type of trade. Means how long can this possibly take? If I'll show you guys right now, more at least 60 days. I said this can be spot, but even though it's a spot, I'm giving you guys a stop loss just in case yung mga nagfo-futures dyan, di ba? So, right here, simple as this. Simple as this. So, Miss, what about this zone? This zone is gonna act as our TP1. And when we go to this TP1, I'll tell you what to do. Simple as that, okay? But there we go. But first, for now, at least, let's enter the trade. Let's break out of this line. Change the color. Let's break out of the red line. And then I'll tell you guys what to do with TP. Alright, so thank you for liking the live again. Thanks naman. Okay, thank you in advance po, Miss. You're welcome. Alright, so TP1 30 days. Yeah. So, try nyo natin ilang percentage siya. Not bad. 40%. So, even if I'll put into, okay? That's why, guys, I'm always counting the percentage. I'll show you, Our drawdown in here, you can say 16%. So, 16%, if we'll talk about it, let's say I'm just gonna put invest in more of investing. Means meron po akong 50,000 pesos. I'm gonna use pesos, or let's say in dollars. Let's just, I know $1, 1,000 is like 56, 57. So, but let's just for an example, okay? Okay, or let's put it, or 1,000. Now, how much is the 16% of 50,000? Yan. Yeah, sino makaunang sagot? 16% of 50,000. Come on. So, in pesos, okay? 13K. Yeah? Alright. Okay. So, 18K? So, what do you guys think? Yeah? 8K, tama. So, if this trade, 16% is the loss. Possible loss natin yan. So, pag ito, it goes against us, how much are we gonna lose? 8K. 8K pesos. I'm doing the Philippines na lang ha. But I'll do the dollars later because we have international watchers. Okay, I have international students. Now, what's the possible profit? I'm not counting till up in here, just till here. And let's round it off to 40, 41 lang. Or let's say 40. Para mas much easy for you guys to do. 40% of 50,000 peso, magkano? Anyone? Okay, so magkano kaya? It starts with 2. Yeah? Well, tama. 20,000 pesos. So, let me ask you, people in here, people in here, does this one sounds good? In a span of maximum, let's say 30 days. Or let's even give it till 60 days. Yung pera mo, it's not doing anything. It's just sitting in there. Diba? It's just sitting in there. You're not doing anything. You just put your money. Now, are you gonna be okay losing 8,000? That's the first question that you have to ask yourself as a trader. Okay lang bang mawala yung 8,000? Always ask your risk. Yes? Yes? Di siya masakit? So, let's say, Miss, okay, let's just put it this way. Let's say 8,000 nawala, or let's say it, trade went into loss. How much money you have left? 42,000. We can still trade. Diba? And let's say the next trade is somewhat in a similar, position. Loss is 16 ulit, 40%. Diba? But let's count it off by the 50,000 na we started. How much is that? Let's say next trade number 2 po. Okay, this was trade number 1. What happened with my account? Diba? Trade number 1. Now, trade number 2 po, I won. So, your winning price is 20,000. 20,000 plus 42,000, how much is that? 62,000. Can you guys see that? As long as your loss is smaller, you have to be patient. Now, I'm literally teaching you some management in here now. But you get the idea, guys, diba? This is how it's going to be. Pag-investing lang. Pag ako maglalagay ako ngayon, let's say 50,000, 8,000 loss for 30 days type of trade. Literally nothing. Diba? If it goes up, which high likely the probability is where we're looking at it right now, 20K peso, good. Diba? It's a 40% up of our account. So, you like that? Jan Andrew, nag-accept ka po ba? Kapa po ba ng students, ma'am? Yes, I do. Axel, like I have said, I was basing it off still the 16 and the 40% off of the 50,000, which is the initial investing amount that I did. Okay? But if you want to do it by the current account that you have, you can do that. Okay? Anyway, so if it goes up till here, how much is that? Yeah, 80%. Not bad. 80%, not bad. It's excellent. Anyways, so okay, so that's it for this evening. Yeah, that's for the dot. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you for being in here tonight. Time is it? Little bit early in Philippines time still, but yeah. Anyways, for those who have any questions, Miss, I have question. Anything related to trading, or you wanna get access to our Discord, which is for free for those who does not know that we have free Discord right here, public. You get access to our YouTube trades, my updates and everything. Please message me in Instagram if you wanna get access to that. There you go. Mayari Capital. You can screenshot this right now and message me for access in Instagram. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for being in here tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Same around this time. Okay? So, bye, guys.